Hey everyone, I figure what is a better way to kick off all of my Adobe series than with an unboxing from the Adobe Creative Educator program. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, check it out, check it out. So it's been a while since I got any Adobe swag, so I'm really super excited about this. So if I can get the box open, let's go ahead and start with that and see what they've sent. I'm so excited. Oh, my favorite. Check it out. Do you know what you can do with this stuff? You can do all kinds of stuff with craft paper. Anyway, all right. So, first and foremost, the coveted Adobe t-shirt. Let me tell you, I have a couple of these, but I don't have one like this. Check out the back. Here we go. This is so awesome. I am so excited to be part of this program because it is the heart of everything that means everything to me. Creativity and doing things in Adobe products, which I loved Adobe products a long time before, even in my professional life, before I became a teacher. So I'm really excited that they're targeting educators at this point because there's a lot of things that you can do with these products with your students. And it's industry level skills. So that's why I'm adamant about this, because I had junior high kids using professional products, and it really, I think it's a better way to approach these products. So anyway, new sticker. That's going to go on my iPad. That's going to be awesome. And the thing that I am super excited about is these deck of cards. They were created by my friend Rebecca Hare, and she is phenomenal. But I love decks. Everybody who knows me knows I'm always like pushing creative decks for creative ideas. And oh my gosh, I can't get it open. I'm so frustrated here. Okay, let's see here. I'm just gonna stab it. Like I literally have, like close by, I have tons, like just tons of idea decks. I keep them close by. I use them in day-to-day game of phones. That was always fun. So anyway, these specifically though go into the design process, and I'm so excited about them. So each one of them has a purpose, and it's so cool. Look, we have define sections, and then we have create sections, and reflection. And by the way, nobody ever does reflection. I mean, I don't really see this in the classroom enough, but like this reflection piece is very, very powerful. So I really hope that you guys use these because they're amazing. And then, feedback. Feedback. How do you learn if you don't give your students feedback? This is the most important piece of the puzzle right here. So this is super freaking cool. So many ideas, so many things to use in your classroom. I mean, how amazing is this? So if you're in the Creative Educator program, you get access to these cards. All you have to do is complete phase 1, and it's super easy. I mean, it's just amazing. Oh, a thank you for all of us that do creativity in the classroom. Thank you, Adobe, for finally recognizing how, Adobe always recognized it, but thank you for supporting us. I'm not real sure what this is. Maybe it has it's pretty. It looks like a sticker. I don't know. I'll find something to do with it. Oh, and then at the bottom here of the box, it looks like really super, it's a poster of the whole creative process. I love this idea. You need to have something somewhere to remind your students, like an anchor chart, to remind your students how to be creative, because it's a little bit overwhelming sometimes. So this is super cool. Not to mention I like the colors because I'm a bright, happy kind of person. See? There's something else in the bottom here. What is this? What is this? Oh, I love it. It's just a little few ideas on how to use the items in your classroom, and just a reminder of the process. Gosh, this is like super cool, and I just like the box. Look, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this box over and over again. I'm a box person. You know, I have a box full of boxes. Don't tell anybody. But boxes, like a good box, it can just make your day, a good box. So anyway, that is everything that is in the box. This is some cool swag, Adobe. I really appreciate this. I'm super excited about it. But I think by far the design process cards are phenomenal. I'm so excited about these. So I'll definitely be posting a little bit more about these throughout the next couple of weeks, and attach some ideas to these so that you can use these in your classroom. So yeah, oh, this is so awesome. I just love Adobe t-shirts. I am a creative educator. So anyway, I'll probably be talking a little bit more about these at ISTE too. That's coming up. So guys, I mean, this pandemic, we've got some cool stuff coming up because literally got nothing to do but sit around and figure out ideas, right? Kidding. I'm totally kidding. I know everybody's working their tail off. But hopefully we can come up with some stuff together to make our lives a little bit easier. So thank you so much, Adobe. I love it. I'm so excited about this program. All you have to do is go to the Adobe Education Exchange and get started on your own creative educator journey.